Okay, so what I just did there, I couldn't tell if the noise coming out of this exhaust, I was pretty sure it was exhaust, but it's too loud. I don't like to fire engines up without mufflers. That way if there's something wrong, you can hear the problem before it turns into something big. And I couldn't tell if that was just the crackle of the exhaust or if this thing was actually knocking, making a noise. So I just put my hand over the collector with a towel and blocked it off, and as you could hear, the noise went completely away. The engine sounds fine.